Namaste and hello everyone. Welcome back to the part 2 of coal and petroleum, and today we will learn about coal, the uses of coal. So let's start. So let us first know how did the coal is actually formed. Okay, how is the coal formed? So you see, about 300 million years ago, okay, 300 million years ago, when the earth had dense forest in low lying wetland areas. About 300 million years ago, the earth had dense forest, okay, in the, you can say, in the low lying wetland areas, okay. And due to natural processes, okay, the natural processes like you can say the flood, the earthquake, okay, what happens, you see, due to the natural resources, due to the natural processes like the earthquake, flood, okay, the forest, these forests got buried under the soil, okay, the forest got buried under the soil due to the natural processes, okay. Then you see, the temperature also rose as they shrunk deeper and deeper, okay. So they got buried because of the natural resources, okay. The forest got buried under the soil, and as they go, the forest, they went deeper and deeper under the soil, the temperature also rose, okay. Under high pressure and high temperature, the dead plant slowly got converted into coal. And under the under deeper and deeper, under the soil, okay, under the high pressure and high temperature, the dead plants, okay, the dead plants got converted into the coal, okay. Next you see, as the coal mainly contains carbon, the slow process of conversion of this dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization, okay. So as the coal, it mainly contains of the, you can say, it mainly contains of the carbon, okay, and the and this slow process of conversion, okay, the slow process of conversion of the dead vegetation into the coal is known as carbonization, okay. So what happened, in short, I will tell you, about 300 million years ago, when the earth had, dense forest, okay, and due to some natural processes, for example, flood and earthquake, what happened, these forests, they got buried under the soil, okay, and due to high pressure and high temperature, what happened, the dead remains, or you can say the dead plants, they got converted into coal, okay. So this is how we got the coal, okay. Now let us discuss about the uses of coal, okay. So see, the very first use of coal is, it is used to cook food, okay. It is used to cook food. Next we have, you see, it is used as fuel in various industry. So it is also used as fuel in various industries. Next we have, it is used in thermal power plants, okay. Why it is used in thermal power plants? It is used in thermal power plants to produce electricity, okay, to produce the electricity. Next you see, coal is processed in industry, okay. Now you see, this coal, it is processed in industry to get some useful products. Now what are the useful products? Such as coke, C-O-K-E, coke. Then to get, coal tar, okay, C-O-A-L-T-A-R, coal tar, and also coal gas, okay. Now little bit I will tell you about the coke, okay. Now what do you think? This coke is not the coke that we eat, okay, that we drink. There is not a, soft drink that we have. You see, this coke, it is a very, you can say, a very tough and a black substance, okay, which is almost the pure form of carbon, okay. It is the pure form of carbon, and this coke, it is also used, in the extraction of many metals, okay. Next we have the coal tar. You see this coal tar, it is a very black thick liquid, okay, with a very, unpleasant smell, okay. And it is a mixture of 200 substances. So you have to remember, the coal tar, it is a black thick substance which is a mixture of 200 substances, okay. Next we have the coal gas. So this coal gas, it is obtained during the processing of coal to get coke, okay. So from the coal, when we try to get the coke, C-O-K-E, coke, when we try to get the coke, in the between the process or during the process, we obtain the coal gas, okay. So these are the uses of coal and these are the uses of the coal, okay. So I was not there so that you can see the things better, okay. So I hope you could see nicely and understood me, okay. So thank you everyone and see you in the next class.